And this is an interesting project of music electronics. This is basically a guitar distortion pedal. So a guitar distortion pedal is widely used in music electronics. So let's make one. The circuit is already made in the breadboard. There is two input. One is for the guitar and other one for the output to the amplifier. So actually what a distortion pedal works, but before knowing how a distortion pedal works, let's see what is actually a sound signal. A sound signal is a sinusoidal wave. So this looks like this one. So when a loudspeaker is connected across this signal, it works like this one. When the peak gets positive, the speaker diaphragm moves forward. When it gets negative, the speaker diaphragm gets backward. So depending on the signal, the diaphragm moves forward and backward and produce sound. So what actually a distortion pedal works, it clips down or chop down the above and below peaks. So the signal looks like this one now, like this and this one. So during at this point, the speaker gets thrashed down and the sound gets distorted. So this is basically the basic of guitar distortion pedal. So this is actually done in this circuit that is used here. Here is one single transistor and a few resistors are used. This is only used for pre-amplification purposes. And here is two diodes. These two diodes are UF4007. These diodes are reverse and forward biased. So basically this is the output and the diode is like connected this one and it is connected to the ground. So it's chopped down the signal, both negative and positive peak across this situation. So the sound gets harshed, and one can change these two configuration, different kinds of diode. That can be LEDs, different kind of LEDs. LEDs are basically diodes, and 4148 or other germanium diodes. This combination can produce different kind of distorted tones. So different kind of guitar pedals use different kind of combination and a rotary switch to select which one to use depending on the sound flavor. So this is my setup. So I have made the circuit along here in this breadboard to input section. Ignore this circuit. This is only used for the power related purposes. I am getting 12 volt input at this breadboard from this board. So this is the only purpose of this circuit, nothing more than that. So I have power amplifier. This power amplifier I have used for many years, from past 5 years. This is a 5 watt power amplifier. So it has basically two sections. One is volume, one is tone, and two input sections, one for keyboard and other for the guitar. But unfortunately I don't have an electric guitar in my stock, so I have used my acoustic one. And also think that why a distortion pedal only used for a electric guitar, why not for a acoustic guitar? So just to experiment with it, I also thought that it is a great chance to experiment with an acoustic guitar with a distortion pedal. So I have used this one. So right now the circuit is bypassed. As we can see, the input section is already shorted to the output. This circuit is bypassed and it is not in used. So let's see how the clean tone works. And I'm just increasing the volume. This is basically a clean tone from the acoustic guitar. And let me connect the distortion pedal. So let me turn off the volume now and let me connect it. This goes to the input section and this goes to the output section, and yeah, well, all set. So let me increase the volume now. As you can see, the tone is now the tone is now distorted. So this is basically a distorted tone, and this is actually works like this way. So this is working quite well, and one can change the diode configuration and check whether the other things are used, other kind of flavor can be used with the setup. So basically this is actually a quite good this basic distortion pedal for not only for the electric guitar but for the acoustic too, and its cost very low. This is a very inexpensive to build up. One can add a volume control over here to change the distorted thing and make a bypass switch to bypass this circuit and making it a clean tone as available in other kind of companies makes. So you will get every information on the circuit digest on how to build it up and get the schematic along with it. So have a nice day. Bye bye.